AI won't make you money. Distribution will. If you don't learn how to get attention, solve a specific problem, reach a niche audience, you'll just be another person generating content that no one sees. The opportunity isn't AI. The opportunity is AI plus distribution. Now let's talk execution. Step 3. The 30-day beginner plan. If I had 0 skills and wanted to start today, here's exactly what I'd do. Week 1. Pick a niche and study it. Not 10 niches. 1. Examples: AI tools for entrepreneurs, crypto market updates, personal finance for students, side hustles using tech. Use AI to summarize top YouTube videos, analyze Reddit threads, extract common pain points, identify FAQs. Your goal? Understand what people are already asking. Week 2. Start publishing daily. Choose one platform: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, X, Twitter, LinkedIn newsletter. Use AI to generate 10 content ideas at once, write scripts, create hooks, optimize titles. Your job? Show up daily. Most people quit before momentum compounds. Week 3. Introduce monetization. Once you get traction, Option A. Affiliate links. Promote AI tools, trading platforms, SaaS products. Option B. Service offer to help viewers implement what you teach. Option C. Digital product. Create a simple template or guide. Monetization doesn't require millions of views. It requires the right audience. 1,000 focused followers greater than 100,000 random ones. Week 4. Automate and scale. Now you optimize.
Use AI to batch create content, repurpose long videos into short clips, turn videos into blogs, turn blogs into newsletters, schedule posts automatically. You build systems. Once systems run, income becomes less tied to hours. That's when this stops being a side hustle and starts becoming leverage. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI lowers the skill barrier, which means competition increases. The edge is no longer talent. It's consistency, speed, positioning, understanding problems deeply. AI gives you tools. You provide direction and persistence. And most people won't persist. That's your advantage. If you're sitting there thinking, I don't know how to code, I'm not good at sales, I'm not creative, I don't understand finance. Good, because the new economy doesn't reward the most skilled person. It rewards the person who uses tools effectively. AI is the biggest leverage shift we've seen in tech since the internet. You can build without coding, analyze without a finance degree, publish without being a writer, launch without being an expert. But you cannot win without taking action. So here's your challenge. Pick one niche, pick one model, post for 30 days. No excuses. Because in this era, no skills just means you haven't used AI yet. If you found this valuable, subscribe. And next time, we'll break down how to turn AI into a $5,000 per month system step by step.